Let's do some EFT tapping for when you're feeling unappreciated, taken for granted. Maybe you actually are unappreciated and being taken for granted. Seems as human beings, we're pretty good at that, starting to expect things from people. Maybe you've been that person who's fulfilled a certain role or takes on a certain role and people just expect it of you. They don't give you the credit, they don't give you the appreciation. That can bring up some feelings. So in addition to whatever boundaries or other adjustments you might need to explore, this is a great place to start to bring up some of that energy, give you some time to process that and move through it. So, side of the hand, even though I feel so unappreciated, I choose to appreciate myself as best I can. Even though I feel really unappreciated. I feel like I'm being taken for granted. Not shown the respect or consideration I deserve for everything that I'm doing. And I choose to accept and honor what I'm feeling. Even though I feel really unappreciated. I do a lot. I'm trying my best. I do a lot for certain other people, maybe my work or my community, maybe all of the above. And I don't feel I'm being shown the appreciation, the respect for everything I'm doing. And that's frustrating. Maybe even feels a bit defeated. And I'm not sure what to do with that. And I choose to deeply and completely honor and accept myself and appreciate myself as best I can. Now, through the points, I don't feel appreciated. I do not feel appreciated. Maybe I don't feel respected. Maybe I feel like what I do is taken for granted. And maybe I feel that way because that's the behavior I'm seeing. Or the behavior I'm not seeing. I'm not getting a lot of feedback that shows that people really acknowledge, understand what I'm doing, how much of myself I'm giving, everything I'm providing. And it's very frustrating. It's very isolating. I'm doing all of this stuff. I'm giving of myself. It would be nice for that to feel seen, to feel appreciated. Yes, it might be true. I'm not only doing it for validation. It might be things I would do regardless. It sure would be nice to be appreciated for it. And I'm allowing myself to have that feeling. Noticing if I'm judging it, like I should be altruistic completely, that it's egocentric for me to even want appreciation. Just setting that aside for a moment. I feel whatever I feel. And while I can't live in someone else's body, I'm pretty sure everyone likes to feel appreciated. And any other emotions that come up around this. The sadness it brings up. God, why am I even doing this? Is it something about me? Am I not doing good enough? Is it a failing on my part? Any places I judge myself? Any places I doubt my value? And that can quickly turn into attack. Well, they don't appreciate it. They're selfish. Wait till they respond when I stop giving them this. All those desires and thoughts. Just allowing myself to have and to process everything I'm feeling around this. That sense of frustration. I give and give. I do all this work. I give all this energy of myself. And for what? I feel so unappreciated. I feel so unappreciated. Giving myself the space for that. For that feeling. And as this processes more and more, I want to let myself explore. Let myself tune in. Can I at least truly take a moment to appreciate myself? Or do I judge myself really harshly? Do I really recognize the value in what I'm doing? Giving myself an opportunity to really honor that. To honor who I am and what I do. If I were to imagine someone else doing and giving what I am, what would I say? What would I say about them? I'm going to try to give those words of compliment, that spirit of appreciation to myself. I got to start there. Because I sure can't make anyone else say it. But seeing anywhere I'm holding back. Or perhaps looking for them to appreciate me. To try to fill in any void of not appreciating myself. So just giving myself more and more opportunities to truly honor and value what I'm doing. And even taking some time throughout the day to appreciate myself and all the efforts I'm making. Because I do deserve it. Okay, let's take a breath. Hopefully that processed some things for you and really helped you tune into feeling that appreciation for yourself and what you do. Sometimes that's challenging and we overlook it. So, hope it helps. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I will tap with you again soon. Thanks so much.